Hi guys, combo of the day na ba naman tayo? Daily combo for June 2. Ayan na po, card reveal. Ito lang tayo ng mind section. So ito po yung first, ang fan token. So nasa market po diha. Then let's go for the mem coins. Again. Then last will be the Dow. Okay, go ahead. And take the prize. 5 million token. Claim success. That's all, guys. Then, sa mga gustong mag-register, just click the link para makapag-redirect kayo sa ating